Hello, my name's Charles Osmond. I work for O'Halloran at the Gravesend Training Academy. So I started in construction in 1996. I started off as a labourer working for skilled workers on the site, but all the time I was kind of watching how the guys were doing and what they were doing on site. And after a while I got some responsibility, and during that time I then climbed the ranks into a ganger, foreman, site manager. Between there I went on some short courses and upskilled my functional skills to kind of get where I wanted to be. And then after a period of time, 25 years to be more precise, I now use them skills to upskill others so that they can have a pathway in construction as well.
Well, I suppose for me, from my own family background, both my father and brother was in construction, so it sort of aided me in heading in that direction. My name is Ray Wilson. I work for O'Halloran O'Brien. I'm employed now with O'Halloran's for the last 10 years. Yes, I've thoroughly enjoyed my time here. Very good company to work for, great training within the company, and well looked after. Oh, I'd guess I'm probably a good 20 plus years in the construction industry. Well, I think like any career, you must have an interest in what you do, and you must like what you do. I mean, I love my job, both summer and winter. I love just getting up in the morning and facing a day's work and pre-planning the day ahead. As I say, both summer and winter, the bad weather in the winter doesn't faze me. If you love what you do, well then it's not an issue. As I say, I just like to pre-plan my day. I like to know what I'm doing, and most importantly, I like to be kept busy. Busy, busy, busy. The day goes on quick. Before you know it, you're going home.